Hi students, this is AJ sir. Let's study 10th standard ICSE Math 10B AP Miscellaneous Sums. Exercise 10B. Question number 2. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Two-digit numbers means all the numbers from 10 to 99. Out of these, which are divisible by 3? Well, it starts from 12 and ends with 99. So that's an AP with the difference being of 3 each. So the first number in the sequence A is 12 and the difference is 3. And the last number, the nth term, is 99. If only we can find the value of n, then we know how many two-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 3. Suppose say this is the, let's say the 30th term in this sequence. So we can say that there are 30 numbers which are divisible by 3 and which are of 2 digits. So how do I find the value of n? Well, we know the formula. We know the value of a and d, solve and get the value of n, and oh, what a coincidence, it is the 30th term. Third sum. Which term of AP will be 130 more than its 31st term? Okay, first of all, here A is 5 and D is 10 in the sequence. The nth term, and we don't know which term it is, the nth term is 130 more than the 31st term. So you have to get this equation correct. Nth term formula, 31st term formula. Of course, 31st term is always A plus 30D plus 130. A's value we know. By the way, A and A can be cut. So even if you don't substitute A's value, it's okay. D's value we know. D and D. And here I know that 31 minus 1 is 30. So the only thing missing is N. Solve this and get the answer. Don't copy, solve on your own. So it's the 44th term. So the 44th term is 130 more than the 31st term. Next, the fourth sum. This and this are in AP. Find the value of P. See, whenever we have 3 terms and they are in AP, the difference will be same. So 15 minus 5 is equal to 25 minus 15, isn't it? This minus this is also 10 and this minus this is also 10. Same thing applies here. Second term minus first term will be equal to third term minus second term. So that's the logic we'll use here. Second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. Open the brackets. It's a normal algebraic sum. Interestingly, x gets cancelled and that is why we are able to find the value of P. Now the seventh sum. For what value of n will the nth term in this AP and the nth term in this AP, they are equal to each other? So there are 2 APs given. Find the A and D of both the APs. Here the nth term will be this. We don't know the value of n, of course. And for this AP, the nth term will be this. I've just substituted the value of A and D, nothing else. Now in the question it is mentioned that the nth term is equal. So this is equal to this. So the only thing missing in this equation is the value of n. Solve and get the value of n. That means the 13th term here and the 13th term here will be exactly same. You can try it. Find out the 13th term here and here. I bet it will be same. Now the ninth sum. If these 3 numbers are in AP, find the value of n and also find the next 2 terms. This is very similar to sum number 4. If they are in AP, that means the second term minus the first term is equal to the third term minus the second term. The difference is always the same. So we solve this and get the value of n as 1. Please solve it, don't copy. Then if I substitute it, I get the first, second and third terms. 1, minus 1, 3 and 7. That's the AP. But they have also asked us to find the fourth and the fifth term, the next 2 terms. I can see the difference is of 4. So 7 plus 4, 11 plus 4, 15. So I got the next 2 terms as well. Now the 11th sum. If A, B and C are in AP, show that these are also in AP. Cancel 11.2. Also cancel 15th and 16th sum. How can I prove them to be in AP? If only I can prove that 4B minus 4A is equal to 4C minus 4B, that is the difference between these respective pairs of terms is equal, then it is proved that they are in AP. So first of all, since they have mentioned that A, B and C are in AP, we know that B minus A will be equal to C minus B. This will be useful. Now we'll have LHS and RHS. The line is necessary. Second term minus first term, we get some answer. Third term minus second term, we get some answer. By the way, the B minus A can be replaced with C minus B from equation 1. So now LHS and RHS are equal. So if the differences are equal, it proves that the three numbers are in AP. Now the 13th sum. The fourth term of an AP is equal to 3 times its first term. We have to convert the English into math. So fourth term is equal to 3 times the first term. So that's the equation. Fourth term is A plus 3D. Do you agree? You know, A plus N minus 1D, that is 4 minus 1 is 3. So A plus 3D is equal to 3A. And now I get one linear equation in 2 variables. Second condition given in the question is the 7th term exceeds twice the 3rd term by 1. Now try to write the equation on your own. Try it on your own. Did you get this equation? The 7th term exceeds twice the 3rd term by 1. If you got it right, good job. Now 7th term means A plus 6D. 3rd term means A plus 2D. Don't forget the brackets because there's a 2 out here. Open the brackets, solve and you get an equation. I got 2 equations in 2 variables. Now you know what to do. Solve them simultaneously. Do it on your own. I'm subtracting, so I'm changing the signs. Be careful about signs. Get the value of D. Substitute and get the value of A. That's it. Hi students. If you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, to enroll for my online lectures or online test series, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.